Creating a new course. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new course. First, log in as an administrator or as a user with permissions to create a course. Before you add a course, you may want to add a course category. Navigate to Site Administration, Courses, add a category. If there already is a course category in existence and you want to add a new course to that category, click Manage Courses and Categories instead. To add a category, enter the category name and category ID or description if desired, and then click Create Category. Once you create the category, click Create New Course. This is the Add a New Course page, which contains the course settings. Enter the course full name and short name in the general area. You can also select the course category into which this course will be slotted, whether the course will be visible in the course list or not, and when the course will start. In the description area, determine what appears in the course summary, which is displayed in the course list. You can upload a file here as well. In the course format area, you can control the layout of the course page. In the appearance section, you control how the course appears to student users. Change any other options and then click Save and Display. Here is your new course's homepage. To return to the course settings, click Settings at the top.